Okay, so here we go. First of all, you're gonna, of course, have your iPhone turned on, blah blah blah. You're gonna go search for shortcut, which I have here already. So there you go, shortcuts. You're gonna go ahead and tap on that. I already have the shortcut created, but again, I'm gonna walk you through it and show you how to, of course, install it on your phone. So you're gonna hit the plus sign, and then you're gonna add action. So let me go ahead and focus on this a little better here. So after you hit action, you're going to hit web, and then you're going to scroll down until you see run JavaScript. So you're going to go ahead and hit that, and this is what I'm talking about. This is the coding right here. This is going to be completely gone, and I'm going to again post that in the description below. So, but before you do it, you're going to have to hit this where it says web page, and then you're going to go down to shortcut input. You're going to select all, and delete. I already have it copy and paste, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste the code in here, and that's how the code looks. Okay, so we're going to go to the three dots up here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it too much, there's a lot of glare, but the three dots under next, and you're going to give your shortcut a name. Let me put PIP2. Okay, and after you put that in, you're going to hit show in share sheet. So you're going to switch that to on. After you switch that to on, this will pop up. So you're going to go into share sheet type, and you're going to deselect all up top here, and you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see Safari web pages, which is right here, the third from the bottom. And after you do that, you're going to go back to details, you're going to hit done, and then you're going to hit done again. So if I already created it, as you can see, PIP2, I'm going to show you an example on how this works. So I'm going to go to Safari, and you already see I have a video up. I'm going to go ahead, not play that, but I'm going to go down to here, this icon, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you're going to see it right there, PIP2, so it should show up in this area. You're going to go ahead and hit that, and it should work, and you're going to hit allow. You can read that if you want to, but just hit allow, and it will confirm. And there you go. Let me go ahead and close out of that, and there you go, you have picture in picture once again. So follow those basic steps, guys. Again, I'm going to leave the coding in the description down below this video, so you can just copy and paste it. Hopefully you're able to do that while you're watching this video. Just go down the description on your phone, copy that, put it on your notepad if you want to, and then go through those steps. Hopefully this helped you guys. It really sucks that YouTube had this step to go this far, to keep you guys from doing picture in picture. I'm pretty sure they're gonna probably patch this up somehow, but it's not like a revolutionary thing. It's just picture in picture. So yeah, that's all for the video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps, and hopefully other people will be able to see this, and hopefully it helped out a lot of people in the end. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, more videos to come, and yeah, peace out, guys.